Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Amazon Fire TV remote if it hasn't been working right lately. And all I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. To start, with your Fire TV on, hold the back button of your remote, the menu button, and the left button at the same time for 15 seconds. When the cursor on your screen scrolls over and highlights the Home tab, then you can let all the buttons go. Now, unplug the power for your Fire TV device. Remove the batteries from your remote. Then, plug the device back in. Once your device has finished starting up, put the batteries back into the remote. Now, hold the home button on your remote for about 30 seconds, and your remote will pair back up to your TV. Your remote should now be paired to your TV, but you'll have to do one last thing, because in some cases, after the remote is paired, certain features like Alexa Voice won't work. So to get it to work, you'll have to do the following. Go to Settings on the far right side, go into Controller and Bluetooth devices, Amazon Fire TV remotes, go down to Add New Remote. Now, hold the home button for about 10 seconds. When your remote shows up on the list, go ahead and click it. Now, your remote is fully functional. I'm not sure if you noticed, but the menu that we went into to pair the remote is called the Controller and Bluetooth Devices menu. Remote controls aren't the only thing that you can connect to your Fire TV. You can also connect game controllers. To learn how to do that, you can watch this next video right here.